Good morning. Welcome to your morning 10-minute yoga flow. We'll begin in Balasana in Child's Pose. Open your knees wide today, forehead towards the mat. Beginning to grow and deepen, slow your breath, breathing in and out the nose with sound. Breathing not only down deep into the belly, but also into the side waist, the side ribs, and the back of the heart. Expanding your entire torso with every inhalation. Every exhalation today, engage the pelvic floor. So pull it up, pull the belly button in and up. Rise up now to hands and knees. Walk your hands forward. Keep your hips over your knees and lower your forehead towards the mat for Anahata. On the inhalation, tuck the chin round the spine. Exhale, lower the forehead back down towards the floor. So inhale, press into the hands. Tuck the chin round the spine. Exhale, release down. Moving in the rhythm of your own breath now for a few more times. We're waking up the spine, opening up and relaxing the shoulder area and neck. Then inhale, come all the way down onto your belly. Bring your elbows directly under your shoulders and your forearms parallel to one another for Sphinx pose. Pull your heart forward in between your arms. Engage your thighs so much that your kneecaps lift, pressing the tops of the feet actively down into the mat. Now relax your shoulder blades down away from your ears towards your sacrum and perhaps smile. Advanced version. Then stretch your right arm straight out from the shoulder. Roll over onto your side any amount. This could be a tiny bit. Make sure this feels really good for you here. Switching sides, roll onto your belly straight, in your left arm straight out from the shoulder and roll any amount onto your side. Make sure this feels just so good, and if it doesn't, don't do it. Release, roll back down onto your belly. Stretch your arms back behind you or interlace the hands. Stay here, lift the legs, hip width, Shalabhasana. Open the heart, press your fist towards your heels, lift, 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 strengthening the low back. Release the hands, bring your hands next to your side body, press the mat away. Bring your seat towards your heels, come up on your fingertips. And then slowly bring the knees in so you're in tabletop. Curl the toes under. Adho Mukha Shavasana, downward dog. I sound like a broken record, but I always say spread the fingers wide, protect the wrists. Press into the second knuckle of each hand, finger. Pull the belly in. Step the feet to the hands. Inhale, fingertips to the thighs, lengthen the spine. Exhale, fold Uttanasana. Inhale, long neck, lift up halfway. Exhale to fold over your legs, Uttanasana. Last time, Ardha Uttanasana. Exhale, Uttanasana. Inhale, sweep the arms out and up. Lift your heart, lift your spirits. Exhale, hands to heart. Come around to face you now. Bring your feet out wider than the hips. Bend down deep, heart towards the thighs, then curl the chin in towards the chest, round the spine. Come all the way back up. So sit, squat down, roll the chin in, roll the spine, come all the way back up. Flat back, roll down, exhale, come back up. Flowing the arms now as you come down into the squat and then stand back up. We're waking up the spine here, waking up the legs. Moving in the rhythm of your own breath. You never need to match me exactly. Begin to sway and twist side to side any amount. You can start really, really slow, really, really small, especially if you're sore or if you're tense from sleeping. Begin to lovingly tap your forearms on your low belly and low back, and then slowly release from the twist and sway. Begin to twist the spine up, lift the arms up, and cascade them back down to your side. So the backs of the hands towards one another, revolving the spine left and right. Stretch the arms up. Exhale, cascading the arms back down. A few more times here. Now stepping, I'm mirroring you, your right foot forward, pivot your left heel down, coming into Virabhadrasana 2 Warrior 2 legs. Open the arms out, keeping your shoulders over your hips. Relax your shoulders away from your ears. Engage your low belly. Lengthen your tailbone down. Make sure that your knee isn't going farther than your ankle. Then inhale straight up, and we come into the same Warrior 2 Virabhadrasana 2 on the other side. Straighten your back leg. Make sure your toes are in line with your knee. Inhale, straighten the front leg. And exhale, face the long edge of your mat. Toes a little in, heels a little out. Fold forward, interlacing the hands behind your back. On your inhalation, press your fist up towards the sky. And on the exhalations, fold deeper. Bring your hands to your hips, come up with the flat back, and step your feet together, hands to heart. Inhale, sweep the palms out and up. Exhale, fold forward, heart first, head last. Inhale, find length in the spine, fingertips up to the thighs, and exhale to fold. Step back, Adho Mukha Shavasana, downward facing dog. You can always experiment here. Inhale, forward to plank, shoulders above wrists, strong belly, hips in line with the shoulders, long line. Pull the belly up and in. 2 more deep breaths here, building some strength and heat in the body. Lower the knees down, seat the heels, Balasana. Roll up, sitting on your heels. And then bring your hips directly over the knees. Press your hips forward. Keep your hands on your hips or press them towards your low back. Lifting the heart up into the sky. Imagine you're squeezing a ball in between your elbows here, opening the heart. And slowly release, sitting down on your heels, lengthening your tailbone, your low back. And sweeping the legs forward. Bending your right knee, fold forward over your left leg, flex your left toes, Janusirsasana. Inhale, rise back up and switch sides, straightening the right leg, flex the right toes, bend the left knee, fold forward. Feeling into the aliveness in your fingertips and toes. Rising back up, open your legs out wide in a V. Flex your toes towards you and fold forward any amount with a flat back. This may mean that you only come down a little bit, and that's beautiful. You are perfect wherever you are and just as you are today. Remembering that you are enough. You are lovable and loving, stronger than you know and more powerful than you think. Cross your legs, twisting open, hand to the outside of the knee, and other way. I'm wishing you a day full of so much laughter, success, lightness, and ease, serenity, and grace. Namaste.